What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. My voice isn't. Welcome back to this channel and welcome to this new analysis and kind of like an analysis update on Ethereum, which I wanted to cover because I haven't covered it in quite some time, and for me quite some time is like a week and a half, something like that. So I wanted to cover it because Ethereum, I mean, I think it's a great project. I think it's one of the biggest cryptos. I think it definitely has a chance to overtake Bitcoin at some point of time. So yeah, the main thing, let's just get right into it. So what we can see, and throughout the whole crypto market, that is, and sorry, I got some messages. The main thing is that on the short term, the crypto market actually has been relatively bullish over the last couple of days. If we take a look at Bitcoin, you can see that we've actually from down at the bottom at 19,000, almost breaking below that, we have gone up to 20,500, and I think we're going up higher, and that's also reflected with Ethereum. As you can see, we're making higher lows ever since the beginning of July, we should say. So what we have done afterwards is we've broken above these two EMAs, the 28 and the 50 EMA. We've also broken above the 100 EMA after rejecting off that first. So basically what's that signaling is that there is some bullish momentum. We're breaking above bearish and just downtrend indicators, I guess we should call them, or we could call them. We're breaking above those and we're actually finding support off of those, I think at least. Now the main thing that happens, and the main thing we talked about with Ethereum and Bitcoin quite a lot over the last few weeks, is that maybe we're primed for a consolidation. And what happens with a consolidation is that we're really consolidating if all the EMAs, so if all these lines are just kind of flat, right? So if they're just moving like this. And what we can see already from the last few weeks is that the 28 and the 50 EMA, the blue and the red line, are already trying to do that. And now the 100 EMA is also within this level right here between 1,000 and 1,250. So I think for the longer term, something like that, an idea like that is actually pretty likely and a good idea, I'd say. But on the short term, what I think is going to happen is I think we're going up to that 1,250 level and probably even 1,300. So what I think is that we'll find some support off of that 100 EMA, go up to 1,230, probably from there drop down quite hard because that's quite a strong resistance level. So we might just do something like this. But I think we're going to stay in this whole market structure with the higher lows and this resistance level right there, and somewhere down the line we're going to break above that 1,230 level and get up to that 1,275 and 1,300 level. And there it gets interesting. Right, because I don't actually think we can break above 1,300. It's a strong level. We haven't hit that for quite some time, and there's also the 200 EMA, which is very strong. So what I expect is that from here, and if we hit this level within the next few days, which I expect, that will actually start the downtrend towards 1,000 again, which would be a confirmation for the consolidation, which we just talked about. Because in a consolidation, I mean, you go up and you go down. And it wouldn't be in such a big move, but I just wanted to illustrate that we'll probably start to trend down again, right? And it could actually go pretty fast, like we see right there. But I do want to say as well is that in a bear market, it's always possible to always have some sort of a relief rally, right? That's also possible with right now. So even though I think it's most likely that we'll get up to that 1,275 and 1,300 level and start to drop down from there, if we break above that level, which we definitely have the chance to do that, if we break above 1,300, excuse me again, I think we could actually use that as a break retest and get up all the way up to that 1,450 and 1,500 level. So that would be my price target if that happens. If something like that happens, or if I think that's very likely to happen, I will definitely update this analysis too, so don't worry too much about that. But I just wanted to throw that in a mix in this analysis too. I think it's interesting to take a look at it and also something to watch. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for now on Ethereum. So if you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. For now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.